Introducing the 2017 Mazda MX-5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Timeless and evocative, this iconic MX-5 Miata delivers pure driving pleasure. This affordable roadster's balanced, joyful ride, spirited performance, and sensuous lines are legendary among enthusiasts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Answer the call to experience open-top joy. This exquisite MX-5 Miata is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.